Let's do something we're not supposed to do. Ah, very good. So you might be asking yourself, Josh, what are you talking about? What aren't you supposed to do? Don't worry about it. This will all make sense. Mason jar, the lit match. We're gonna make some plasma in my microwave. Shh, don't tell my mom.
If I light this and drop it, will it disappear? No, that lights perfectly. Not sure how long. Does this fit on top? Of course it doesn't. Okay, fine.
Whoa! That is amazing! Whoa! Oh, my plasma is done.
This time, I'm gonna leave the mason jar off of it. We're gonna see.
Oh my god.
I don't like that touching the microwave, actually. Hold on.
Oh my god. Yeah, far away is the best angle. Look at that. Whoa! Whoa! Are you kidding me?
The world is a fascinating place. Whoa, toasty! This is awesome.
Oh my god. I really want to keep trying to do it again.
Is there? What am I doing? I'm gonna just use one of these plates.
My little match gravy.
There we go.
Woo! Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. It smells like a bonfire.
Toasty mason jar. Woo.
Oh my gosh. That was amazing. Unfortunately, I think that if I keep doing this, my mother will kill me. So, yeah. That was amazing. I'm not a science channel. I don't know why that works. Something about the hot gas getting twice as hot because of the microwave. I don't know. What I do know is that was super cool. This was super fun. And goodbye.